Home and Abroad, Part 2. Currencies of different countries. In the previous video, we learned about the lifestyle and environment of Abu Dhabi city. Introduction. In this video, we will learn about currencies used in different countries. Zia has finished her studies and is wondering what to do now. Then she remembers about the note from Abu Dhabi given by her father.
Boo, I remember. Dad gave me a note from Abu Dhabi. You wait here. Let me go and get it.
Zia goes to get the note. Bobo sits there waiting for her.
See this note from Abu Dhabi, Bobo. This is so different from our note. It has something written in a different language.
Just then, Grandpa comes into her room.
Zia, a new jalebi shop has opened in the street. I came to take you to eat jalebis. But you seem to be very busy. What is that in your hand?
Grandpa, I am looking at the note from Abu Dhabi given by Dad.
Oh well, let me look at it too.
In which language is it written, Grandpa?
Have you ever seen a note from Abu Dhabi? In which language is it written?
This is Arabic, Zia, and this note is of 1 dirham.
Dirham?
Dirham is the currency of the UAE, just like we have rupees here.
Oh, I forgot to ask Dad about it.
It is okay. Your grandpa is very wise.
Yes, of course, Grandpa.
Have you seen the currencies of any other country?
No, Grandpa. I have never seen them.
Have you ever seen the currencies of any other country? Which countries? Grandpa puts a box in front of Zia.
What's this, Grandpa?
I collect currencies from different countries. All of them are in this box. Let's see them one by one.
Sure, Grandpa. But before that, let me draw a table. So later, I can see the names of the currencies of different countries.
Zia made a table like this. Grandpa now tells her about the notes one by one and Zia writes them on her table. Let us also look at the currencies one by one. Which country has this note with a picture of a woman? What is the name of this currency? Answer. It is called pound and it is the currency of the United Kingdom. From which country is this currency and what is it called? Answer. This is the currency of India. It is called the rupee. To which country does this note belong? And what is this currency called? Answer. This note belongs to the United States of America. It is called dollar. This red colored note belongs to which country? By what name is it known? Answer. This note belongs to Oman and it is named as Riyal. This is a note of which country and by what name is this currency known? Answer. This currency belongs to China and it is called yuan. Zia finishes her table with Grandpa's help.
Grandpa, I came to know about these notes. But now, can you tell me about these coins?
Yes, definitely, Zia. I will show you the coins one by one and you try to tell me how much each coin is worth.
You also see these coins along with Zia and try to guess the worth of these coins. Which of these coins is 20 euro cents? Answer. This yellow coin is of 20 euro cents. Which coin is of 5 paise? Answer. See, this coin is of 5 paise. Now tell me, which is a $quarter coin? Answer. This is a $quarter coin. Do you see any 1 penny coins in them? Which one? Answer. This red colored coin is worth 1 penny. Can you tell which of these is a 10 yen coin? Answer. Here is the 10 yen coin.
So, how did you feel about knowing about different currencies?
I enjoyed it so much. When I will grow up, I will go to all these countries and buy different things with such currencies.
Very good, Zia. So shall we go to eat some jalebis with this money? But the jalebi vendor will probably take India's currency.
Yes, Grandpa. Let's go. Bobo, you also come with us.
Zia, Grandpa and Bobo go out to eat jalebi. Summary. In this video, we learned about currencies used in different countries.